Hi, good morning, guys. This is Roland again. First of all, Happy New Year to all of you. But anyway, I'm working with the um, Honda Odyssey 2007 here, changing alternator. Now, this alternator, it's gonna be taking like at least 3 hours or 4 hours, but you can do it within not even an hour. But I have to show you how. The alternator is already been removed, but I will just because I want to try it first myself to make sure that it's real. All right, so I'm gonna flip this camera really quick, and this is it. This is the 2007 Odyssey. 06, 05, 05, 06, and 07, they're actually the same. 08 look like too, but anyway, so the alternator is already out right there, and that alternator right there, but I'm gonna show you what to do first. Number one, you're gonna remove this power steering, which is you can really see it right here. You know, it's just like a holder over here. You just pull that out, and then there is also a wiper. I'm gonna turn on my light. A wiper right here. You can actually you don't need to remove it, but you have to remove the mounting. There is one right here, mounting here. After you remove this, you should be able to see that. You remove that, and then this wiper here, it's up here. So you remove the tire, the tire, and then you remove the bolt over here. All right, you can really access that bolt, no problem, because this thing it's already broken. That's why I had that, but you can just like flip over, and then this thing will come down a little bit. You don't have to remove it, just like come down. As soon as I come down, you can access now the belt. Of course, very easy. This is the belt tensioner. That's number 14. You can put socket on it, and there is like a line in here, a conditioning line that kind of bothering this bolt when you try to like squeeze it, because you have to squeeze that towards that way, so the belt will be loosened, and you'll be able to remove it. But you can actually move this back and forth. This one right here, because it's a kind of have like a holder there. You can actually remove that. But anyway, so you can remove the belt. As soon as you remove the belt, there is a bolt here that you can access for the alternator. You can really see it if you guys are inline mechanic. Here, and then one in the bottom right there, because the alternator is here. It's already been removed, of course. And then you can also remove the this wire. That's the first thing that you have to do. You have to remove the wire. Make sure that you also remove the the harness. That's a number 12 nut over here for the alternator. But anyway, as soon as you do that, you can actually remove the alternator from here. All right, that's where the alternator goes. So that's very easy. It's not even 30 minutes that I remove the the alternator. So number one, get the power steering right here. Of course, I forgot, you have to remove the clamp. There is no oil as much as you're doing this right there. All right, so make sure that the oil is full over there. All right, so now that's pretty it. So number one, remove this, and number two, remove the wiper bolt, and number three, remove the wiper bolt over here, also the reservoir, and then number three, remove all these wires right here, and then number four, you can remove the belt by using number 14 sockets right here, and then just squeeze it towards that way. Okay, towards that way, and then you can just like leave the belt there. And then number four, Number 4, you can remove the bolt over here. There's a bolt here. And then number 5, bolt down in the bottom for the alternator. And then number 6, you have to remove this one. Remove this one. This is where the alternator goes, right there. All right, this thing is gonna be over here, and you can really see it. I mean, very obvious. And then after that, you can remove the old one and put the new one in the same way, the way you take it off. All right, I hope this thing helped you guys out, and if you guys like it or help you a little bit on it, just give a thumbs up or subscribe. Thank you.